बजते थी। उनके पास था तो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान की तारीफों का पुलिंदा। पूरी हार को भारी भरकम लच्छेदार शब्दों के पीछे छिपाने की कोशिश भी साफ नजर आई।
Really had a good performance. I congratulated them in post-match. I would do the same here because they deserve to win. They certainly played really good cricket, and they also needed victories like these for them as a team. So a guy like Zaman, when he gets going, because he plays unorthodox shots. When players like that get going on their day, it becomes really difficult to stop them, because I think 80% of his shots were high risk and they were all coming off. So you can only do so much, as I said, as a bowler and a captain when that is happening, and you try to hit the best areas possible for those players. But sometimes you have to sit and say, the guy is good enough on the day to tackle everything, and you can only do so much.
बुमराह ने तो 3 नो बॉल और 5 वाइड डाली। इससे पहले श्रीलंका भी लीग राउंड में पाकिस्तान को 23 रनों का तोहफा देकर टूर्नामेंट से बाहर हुआ था। क्या आपने उस मैच से सबक नहीं लिया?
Yeah, I mean 25 extras is a bit too much, in a game like that, and that's something that we certainly need to take care of in future. Obviously, the same bowlers are going to play, the same guys are going to be backed, but the more consistent you get from in learning from games like this, it's better for the team in futures.
क्या आपने 2 स्पिनर खिलाकर गलती की?
Not at all. We created a combination after the loss against Sri Lanka. We didn't want to be too predictable from there on in the tournament, and the 2 spinners together did a good job for us. I have no regrets in playing the combination that we played today.
क्या टीम के बल्लेबाजों ने मैच हराया?
You've played enough to understand that your job is done. You tried your best, and then you can't control anything afterwards. And in the end, you have to accept and admire sometimes the skill of the opposition as well, and see that they also have come to win a game of cricket. Not that we are not playing at our best. We tried our level best, but we just couldn't make things happen today.
कप्तान साहब, ये सिर्फ मैच नहीं था, चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी का फाइनल था, वो भी पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ। पूरा देश आपसे जीत की उम्मीद कर रहा था। जीत नहीं पाए तो कोई बात नहीं, कम से कम लड़कर तो हारते। उम्मीद थी कि हारने के बाद हार की वजह तो बताते, जिम्मेदारों का नाम तो बताते, पर शायद आप जीत हार से बहुत ऊपर उठ चुके हैं और आपके पास अब बचा है तो ये ज्ञान।
I mean, if you're happy with success and then you're completely ignoring it, and you want to ignore failures or dwell too much in it, it's not a good balance at all. So we have identified areas, even in victories, that we can improve at, and this is a loss. I mean, it's the final, so it looks magnified to everyone, but we've won before, we've lost.